Hello, Andra here with WEFTech Now. We are with Pierre at the CUES booth. How are you, Pierre?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Thank you for having us.
You're very welcome.
So tell me what you do for CUES.
We're actually the world's leading manufacturer in CCTV camera equipment, manhole equipment, sonar, and we brought all of our technology here to the WEFTech show.
Wow, I'm excited to check it all out.
We are too, to show it to everyone.
So what do you do for CUES?
I'm the leading engineer and director on the manhole products. So we have our manhole station. We're also going to be showing other stations for sonar, portable products, CCTV, our 2 trucks, and also our very popular Granite Net software.
Pierre, tell us a little bit about what we have right here.
Well, here we have our manhole island for the booth, and we have 2 products. We have the CUES Spider, which is a 3D modeler, creates a 3D model of the manhole, and you're able to measure it, you're able to take video of it. And on the other side, we have a simpler pole camera, which allows you to collect HD video of all the manholes and their connecting pipelines.
Hi, George. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Good. Thank you for having us. Can you tell us a little bit about what we have behind us?
So I think what we're showcasing here today is just the family of products, that have been designed for the most treacherous storm and sewer applications, and that allows a user to be able to inspect everywhere from about 2-inch pipelines all the way up to about 60-inch pipelines.
George, will you tell us a little bit about the 550?
Oh, absolutely. The 550 portable mainline system is a fully portable, fully capable mainline system, and it's geared towards smaller municipalities, customers with limited budgets, and it's also made for larger operators that might need a portable system for rapid deployment or emergency situations.
Kind of covering all bases. That's super important.
It is. It's covering all bases, and bottom line is that we offer 2 different tractor sizes and 3 different camera heads. The 2 different tractor sizes will allow users to be able to inspect from a reline 6-inch pipe to 18, and then our second tractor allows customers to be able to inspect from 8-inch all the way up to 60-inch pipelines with different types of accessories attached.
George, is there anything else you'd like to tell us about today?
Oh, absolutely. Part of the family of products that we're showcasing here are our series of push cameras. We actually have 6 different configurations available for our customers.
Holy cow, that's great. Thank you, George. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Hello, Joe. How are you?
Great. How you doing this morning?
I'm wonderful. Thank you so much. You have some really interesting stuff behind us, and it's a cloud-based assessment management. Is that what I heard?
Yep. Asset management software and decision support. Yep.
Well, tell me a little bit about all the new stuff that you're bringing out.
Well, we have been doing a lot lately. So the first thing is for 18 years, CUES has been making software. And these days, we're really focusing on web products and moving things to the cloud. Our customers are really adopting the cloud, and we're seeing that security is a major concern for them, and plugging in hard drives and so forth. If everything moves to the cloud, people are much happier, much safer. So we're seeing a lot of that these days. CUES really differentiates itself because it is a one-stop shop where everything can be supplied under one roof. So there's one phone number to call for firmware issues, hardware issues, and software. So together we make that whole value proposition quite good to the customer. And with our professional services and consulting, we really finish it off nicely so that we have everything from the equipment all the way up to decision making. So that's been really the big focus for us this year.
And you were telling me a little bit about certain web maps that you're using?
Yeah, that's right. So what we're seeing now are folks want to use any device. They don't want to have to install software on their devices. They just want to go to a web page. They want to log in and get authenticated, and they want to do whatever inspection they can. And we have Web Office, which is for all Office users to be able to look into what's going on in their infrastructure in real time. And then we have folks who are out in the field collecting data on browser-based devices, your iPad, your iPhones, your Android devices, whatever. So that's been a real good bonus for us to help our customers do more.
Perfect. Is there anything else you'd like to tell us about today?
Well, we also have artificial intelligence and defect coding services that we've just launched. So we're really excited about that, and we'll be showing some of what that looks like. And the coding services are great. And then from that, we have prescriptive planning. So we can send down reports every day, every week, every month, so that decision makers can get a list of the things that our AI has determined are critical to their infrastructure.
Alex, how are you?
Good, how are you, Andra?
I'm wonderful, thank you. Tell us a little bit about this amazing piece of equipment behind us.
This is a CUES mainline and lateral launch demonstration truck. It has a dual reel system on it, one for mainline tractor and camera functionality, one for lateral inspection functionality. So essentially this tractor here would drive down the pipe, looking at the mainline for inspection purposes, and then actually send a secondary camera up the lateral to look into those pipes as well.
Can I try and move it around?
Sure.
Hi Matt, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Wonderful, thank you. What is this beautiful piece of equipment here?
This piece of equipment called the Digital Universal Camera. So the major difference with this versus traditional analog camera is it is a fisheye lens, as you can see from the front of it. There's no pan and tilt motors to go and move around and spend the time inside the pipe. So you're able to just cruise control, save time, save maintenance on the pan and tilt motors.
And was there a certain software that works with this that you wanted to talk about?
Yeah, so with our GNet software, you're able to get a full view of the inside of the pipe. So as in normal analog pan and tilt video, you have to watch it as you go through the whole thing. This comes up with flat images, right? And you can see 3 different views of the flat images. It's a rolled out, cut at the bottom of the 6 o'clock position of pipe, rolled out and stitched together for a panoramic view on the inside of the pipe. So you can see it in the multi-flat view, you can see the majority of the pipe. You can see in the main flat view and then also connected to the video portion of it. This allows you to do multiple selects of codes. So if you have 10 laterals in a line, you can just select lateral code, go across and select all 10 different laterals and enter it in at one time. So the entry observation is a lot faster than traditional cameras.
Pierre, where can we get more information?
You could get it from our website, cuesinc.com, also social media, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much.
You're very
Come
welcome.
check us out over at booth 1605. Stay tuned for more.